Hi, good evening. I'm Oscar Ayapantecal, and for this activity, Alonso helped me.
Hi, I'm Alonso.
Okay. Hi, Alonso. This is Oscar.
Hello, Oscar. How are you, dear friend?
Uh, Good. I just a little bit tired because I had a lot of homework.
Poor you. And what are you gonna do to the next week?
Yeah, I'm not. I'm going to go my cousin house to see the game, and then I will go to the supermarket.
Really? What are you going to buy?
Well, I'm going to buy some food and also some glasses.
Cool. Could I go to see the game in your cousin's house?
Well, I would love to, but it's something familiar. Sorry about that. But maybe we can to go play football the next Saturday evening.
Good for me. Also, we can invite more people.
Sure, I'd like to play at 4 p.m. for you. Okay for you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. I see you to on Saturday at 4 p.m. in the park. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Bye.